Hey, what's going on? So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get free money in the Cash App. So let me show you my Cash App, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So when you go down here, guys, we're in the Cash App, right? And I'm going to show you guys how to get free money on the Cash App. All right? So what you want to do is go over to the promos and invites thing, and then press enter a code. And now we need to go to loot buy. Okay, so this is the site right here. So go to rewards and put in Cash App. All right, so as you can see, it's right here. So press unlock. So now press unlock and copy the code. So now we're gonna put this in the Cash App, and then after that, press enter and it should work. So let's see if it adds the money. And it added $100. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this website. So it's pretty easy. So to get points, you need to go to Earn tab and see the apps, download 2 of them. So Travel Town, you get 70 points, Rec Social 70. So that right there should get you 100. And that's the cost of most of these. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, like Travel Town, reach level 9. You just press on it. Press continue, go to the App Store, and then I would play this, right? Till I'm level 9. So that's pretty easy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super easy. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. So yeah, just go to loot buy. There's going to be tons of rewards on here. So just want to do a couple of them. Going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later and peace out. But yeah, this is super awesome. So if you want to get money in the Cash App, now you know the method. So this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. I've done a bit of research into this stuff. I know the ins and outs of the game, and this is where it's at. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos about free Cash App money methods, because there's lots of different methods that people don't know about, that I know about, that I'm willing to share. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. Just make sure you download some of these apps enough to complete the points requirement. But yeah, this is super amazing. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, have fun. It's super cool. So if this video works, you can be rich. So yeah, this is super amazing. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. And peace out.